Samsung sells phones from $150 to $1,200, and the gap between them is wider than the price tag suggests. Today, I'm breaking down 5 Samsung products across 3 phone tiers and 2 ecosystem accessories to answer the question that comes up every upgrade cycle. Is the Ultra actually worth it, or is the value play sitting 2 slots down the range? Subscribe. Let's get into it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the definitive answer to how much phone can $1,199 buy, and in 2026 it's become one of the most compelling discounted flagship buys on the market. Phone Arena called it outstanding even 2 years after launch. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 200-megapixel quad camera system with 100 times space zoom, a 5,000 mAh battery, titanium frame, IP68 rating, and Samsung's 7-year software update promise, still leaving 5 full Android versions ahead. The built-in S Pen with Bluetooth, the last Ultra model to include it as a standard feature, adds a note-taking remote shutter and digital annotation capability the S25 Ultra and S26 Ultra no longer provide by default. Galaxy AI, DeX desktop mode, and Samsung's full ecosystem integration layer are all on board. BGR confirmed the S24 Ultra delivers near-identical display quality, AI-powered camera processing, and One UI stability to its successors, while now available at significantly reduced pricing from its launch MSRP. For Samsung power users, content creators, and professionals who want the full Ultra experience with the Bluetooth S Pen in 2026, the S24 Ultra at its current price is the value flagship. Links are in the description. Check it out. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the bargain Ultra, the 2022 flagship that delivers 108-megapixel camera, dual telephoto lenses, 3 times and 10 times optical zoom, built-in Bluetooth S Pen, QHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display, 5,000 mAh battery, and IP68 in a certified refurbished body, now available from under $300. Tech.yahoo.com confirmed it still has solid specs in 2026 and is an absolute bargain alternative to the S26 Ultra for buyers who prioritize S Pen integration and telephoto versatility at a rational price. The display, build, and camera system remain competitive, well above its current price point. The honest context: the S22 Ultra has received its final major Android OS upgrade, One UI 8, and security patch coverage is winding down through 2026. For buyers who need the latest software features or maximum long-term security support, the S24 Ultra is the wiser choice. For buyers who want the full Ultra hardware experience, S Pen, big screen, serious zoom, at the lowest possible price and plan to use it for 2 to 3 years, the S22 Ultra at current refurbished pricing is one of the best Android deals available anywhere. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is the value star, the mid-range Samsung that genuinely closes the gap to flagship territory in the areas most people actually notice. The 6.4-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display, IP67 water resistance, 50-megapixel main camera, 5,000 mAh battery, and One UI software experience that mirrors the S series make it a phone that a 2026 review called one that finally feels high-end. At under $400 and frequently discounted further, it delivers the Samsung design language and display quality that made the brand dominant at a price that doesn't require justification. And if this kind of Samsung ecosystem deep dive is exactly the content you want, subscribe right now. We break down every tier of every major platform every week. The honest context: the A54 has received its final major OS upgrade, and security support ends in early 2026. For new buyers in 2026, the Galaxy A55 or A56 represents a better long-term software investment, but at current A54 pricing, for buyers who keep phones for 2 years and prioritize display and battery over cutting-edge chipset performance, The AR-54 remains a strong mid-range recommendation in the Samsung lineup. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is the ecosystem wrist companion, and Tech Gear Lab called it the best smartwatch for Android users on the market at the time of its release. The Exynos W930 processor on Wear, OS 4, 2009 Sapphire Crystal AMOLED display, advanced sleep staging, ECG, bioimpedance body composition sensor, blood oxygen monitoring, and Samsung Health integration deliver a complete health platform that pairs most powerfully with Galaxy phones. Auto-switching between Galaxy Phone, Galaxy Tab, and Samsung Smart TVs, introduced with the Buds 2 Pro and Watch 6, is the ecosystem payoff that makes owning multiple Samsung devices feel genuinely seamless. The Galaxy Watch 6 was succeeded by the Watch 7 in mid-2024, which means the Watch 6 is now available at meaningfully reduced pricing. TechRadar confirmed it's still worth considering at the right price, with battery life comparable to competitors. For Galaxy phone owners who want Samsung's health ecosystem, no paywall feature access, and a significant discount versus current generation models, the Watch 6 is the ecosystem companion that completes the Samsung setup. Closing with the audio layer of the Samsung ecosystem, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Sam Mobile called them Samsung's best sleeper hit device, and Sound Guys confirmed they remain a compelling option for Samsung fans in 2026, even alongside the newer Buds 3 and Buds 4 Pro. The 24-bit high-res wireless audio, improved active noise cancellation, ergonomic earbud design, and auto switch, which seamlessly transfers audio between Galaxy Phone, Galaxy Watch, and Samsung TV without manual pairing, are the ecosystem features that make these earbuds perform better in a Samsung household than they do standalone. SmartThings Find locates lost buds via the Galaxy device network. At current pricing, well below the original $229 launch MSRP, the Buds 2 Pro represent one of the best value premium Samsung earbuds available. For Galaxy phone owners who want the full audio ecosystem experience, auto switching across all Samsung devices, 24-bit high-res audio, and ANC that genuinely reduces commute fatigue, the Buds 2 Pro are the natural companion to everything else on this list. All the links for every product are in the description below. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week. We're doing the same deep dive on the Apple iPhone ecosystem. See you there.